welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create this super easy baby pink acrylic set with lots of bling. So to get started, my nails are prepped and primed already. So I'm going in with this Young Nails Slick Pour dipping powder, and I'm using it as an acrylic. The color is Pink Petal. And I am using this Pana brush number 8. And I am using Glitterbels by Annabel Hema free monomer here. And I'm going in with a medium-sized bead in the middle of the nail, patting that out. Then I'm going in here with the cuticle bead, pretty close to the cuticle but not touching. And I am slowly feathering that out towards the middle of the nail. Now, you guys can see I left a little angled tip there without any acrylic. I am going to be applying some iridescent flakes on later. So I am just building up that area and leaving an angled tip there free of any acrylic. And I am using my brush there to get the line perfectly crisp. On the middle finger here, nope, we're going in with the ring finger, sorry guys. So here on the ring finger, I'm starting in the middle, applied a smaller bead, and I am feathering that towards the tip. And you want to make sure, you guys, that you are constantly cleaning up your side walls and trying to make your acrylic application as clean as possible so that you'll have less finish filing to do in the end. So here I am applying my cuticle bead close to the cuticle but not touching and feathering that towards the middle of the nail. Now I'm going into my middle nail, applying a medium bead to the middle of the nail and slowly feathering that towards the tip. Taking another bead, you guys, applying it in the middle of the nail and feathering it again towards the tip. Now you guys can work in as many beads or as little beads as you would like. I just suggest get in there and play with it and you'll see what works best for you. This is a dip powder that I'm using here, and I have never had an issue using dip powders with monomer before. I know that some people have, but it always worked well for me using it as a dip powder or as with acrylic and monomer. So whatever works best for you guys. But I love this color. It's really, really pretty. So here I'm going in with some clear. This is C&D brand, and this is just clear acrylic. And I'm applying these iridescent flakes in that part that we left without the pink acrylic. It's kind of like an angled tip here, you guys. And these iridescent flakes I got in a pack from Amazon. I will link everything down below for you guys. So basically in that area that I didn't apply the pink petal acrylic, I applied a really, really small amount of clear acrylic, and I applied those iridescent flakes right on top, using it as an adhesive to get them to stick. I'm doing the same thing here on the middle finger. I love these iridescent flakes, you guys. They are so pretty and they go well with almost any nail look that you create. And here I'm doing it again in an angled look. I did that on the pinky, and I did a fade and angled it on the middle finger. Here I'm showing you guys another way to add an angled tip over your acrylic if you decide you want to and you didn't leave that space of clear. So basically I'm going in with the clear powder over the pink, and I am applying it in an angled direction and applying the flakes right on top. So you see you get the same effect as if you would have left it without acrylic, if that makes sense. Here I'm going in with my C&D clear powder, and we are clear capping, you guys. I applied a bead of acrylic near the cuticle, and I'm just working my way up the nail in small beads. And you want to make sure, you guys, that you really feather it because you want the transition from bead to be absolutely flawless. And here I switched over to my Easy Flow clear acrylic powder. I found that this one was working better for me at the moment. And here I'm just capping the tip where we applied those iridescent flakes. You guys, you want to make sure you cap really, really well, especially when you're applying any glitter or flakes over the nail, because otherwise in the filing we're going to file off all of those glitters or anything that you placed over the nail. So you want to make sure that you cap those really, really well in clear acrylic. And here I'm just doing the same process all throughout the nails here, guys. I'm working in small beads, and I am making sure that I'm feathering those beads into each other really delicately so there are no lumps and bumps over the nails. And if there are lumps and bumps, you guys, as we have lots and lots of beginners here, that is a-okay. I also have some all the time, and filing is your best friend here. Do not worry. You can file your nails to absolute perfection, so do not overstress about these steps. Again, you guys, you want to make sure that any area that you applied glitters to or anything like that, that you clear cap it really, really well, because we do not want to file off any of that. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe. I noticed that a lot of you guys watching are not subscribed. I would love it if you would join us. Here you can find how to create easy nails at home with absolutely no skills required. I'll walk you through everything. And we create beautiful nail looks here and test out tons of nail products. So I would love to see you join us. Here I'm going in with my finish filing. This is a 180 grit hand file, and I am tilting it at a 45-degree angle so that I get that angled coffin look that we are going for here. And I like to start out with my hand file before I go in with my e-file. This is a 180 grit sanding band, guys, and I'm just further emphasizing those really slick sidewalls. I want to make sure everything is on point and I get that perfect coffin look that I am going for. So I'm basically going in at a 45-degree angle up and down the sidewalls of those nails with the e-file to make sure that our sidewalls are on point and perfectly crisp. This really makes a difference in the end result of the nails, you guys. Okay, here we are making sure that we are sealing in our cuticle area, which means going over that cuticle area so that the area where your cuticle starts and the acrylic starts is absolutely flush. This is going to help prevent a lot of lifting. And here I'm going up and down the whole nail, shaping it into perfection. You guys can do this as little or as much as you want, depending on your acrylic application. You can file it into your perfect shape by just going up and down the nails here, you guys. This is a 180 grit sanding band. I'm going up and down the nails here to get it into perfect shape. Here I'm slightly tilting my e-file here and going from one side to the other in slick motions to get that crisp square shape, well, coffin shape, but that square at the tip. And I always like to finish off filing, you guys, with my hand file. And I explained this method before in my other videos of hand filing. And here we are all done with the hand filing. I cleaned off my nails with rubbing alcohol and buffed them. I went in here with my Aimeili No Wipe top coat, and I'm using that as an adhesive for my crystals. Now you guys see I'm starting off here with small crystals, but I'm going to go in with bigger ones. So what I did was, to ensure that those big ones stay in place, I went in with a Orly Gel FX Builder in a bottle, and then I applied my Aimeili No Wipe top coat right on top of that, not carrying in between. And this is a super sure way, you guys, to adhere those bigger sized crystals. They will not budge, they will not move for 2 to 3 weeks. Really keeps them in place here. And all of these beautiful AB crystals, you guys, I got off of Amazon. I can't believe how gorgeous these shine, you guys. They shine even more in person. They really look like real Swarovski crystals. I absolutely adore them. Here I'm using a pack of AB crystals here, you guys. They come in all sizes. And then I'm also going to use AB crystals here from Amazon that come in different shapes. So I highly recommend these, you guys. They are super, super inexpensive. I think for each pack it was like $8 or $9. Super, super inexpensive. And they work really, really beautifully. I love that AB shine that they give off. They're just beautiful. So here I'm applying an assortment of sizes all over the nail. You guys can see up and down the nail. And really get creative with this step, you guys. There's absolutely no wrong way to apply bling. To me, the more the merrier. I love bling and I love these crystals, you guys. They're super affordable and they look absolutely beautiful, especially those AB ones, which we are using here. Okay, so like I told you guys, I decided that I wanted to go in with some bigger sized stones here in different shapes. So I applied that Orly Gel FX Builder in a bottle, and then without curing I applied the Aimeili No White top coat on top of that, and then I went in directly with these different shaped crystals, and this really, really secures them into place, you guys. After you cure, I promise you they will last you 2 to 3 weeks. Oh my goodness, and I'm loving the way this is turning out, you guys. The camera does not do this justice with all of those iridescent flakes underneath and these AB crystals. These nails are absolutely gorgeous. I love this color combination. I find it so aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and this will work with any skin tone, you guys. Oh, I absolutely love this set. It is so bougie and extra, but yet so sophisticated. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish you guys could see how those iridescent flakes shimmer. The camera is not doing them justice here, but they're really, really pretty. And as usual, you guys, I'm going in here with more stones. As I told you before, I love crystals. So I'm adding some more here to the middle finger until I like the way that the design turned out. And again, you guys, I will leave the links for everything down below in the description box. And as always, you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, you guys, so I gave those a full cure. After I finished applying my crystals here, we're going to give them a full cure of 60 seconds. And I decided here I just want to emphasize that side angle of iridescent glitters here, so I am applying some crystals there in an angled fashion. This set, you guys, was super, super fun to do. I absolutely love it, and it is so versatile. I love how it'll go with almost any skin tone, and it is so gorgeous. I cannot stop staring at my nails. I love this one, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I hope you guys subscribe and join me for more videos like this. Monday, Thursday, and Saturday I post. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And do not forget, I'm Easy Nails, where I show you how to create easy, fun nails for everyone at home.